So I really quickly just want to add one more property that I didn't include in the video, and that is adding anything that has an exponent of 0. So some of you in class, we had time to sort of show where that exponent of 0 comes from, but I just want to make sure across the board we all have it. So a 0 exponent just is by definition, okay, anything, and this is the key, anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, and again, that's definition. It has to start somewhere. So those of you who saw where it came from in class, we had time to get through, that's just sort of a reminder. So when we're looking at some examples, right, if I say something like x to the 0 power, that equals 1. If I say negative 5,672 to the 0 power, that equals 1. Okay, now what we have to be careful of is that we don't fall in love with the 0 exponent so much that we don't pay attention to what's getting the exponent of 0, right? We have to make sure we know what that base is. So if we have something that says for x to the 0 power, those parentheses that we see there are telling us that all of the 4x is receiving the exponent of 0, and so therefore it equals 1. But that's different than if I have something like for x to the 0 power. I know I read it the same, so it's kind of hard to tell, but this one doesn't have parentheses. So when it doesn't have parentheses, what this is telling us is that the only thing that has the exponent of 0 is the x, right? The 4 is now a coefficient and not the base. And so x to the 0 power is 1, but that 4 is still there. And so this really says 4 times 1, which equals 4.